Jehovah is described as the sovereign creator of the universe, the God of the Bible, and the one true God who is distinct from all others. Here's a detailed exploration of their beliefs about Jehovah. The name of God. The name, Jehovah, is of paramount importance to Jehovah's Witnesses. It is considered God's personal name, derived from the tetragrammaton, YHWH, found in the Hebrew Scriptures. Witnesses emphasize the use of God's name, citing scriptures like Psalm chapter 83 verse 18, which says, "That people may know that you, whose name is Jehovah, you alone are the most high over all the earth." Jehovah's Witnesses believe that knowing and using God's name is essential for having a close relationship with Him. This distinct focus sets them apart from many other Christian denominations that typically use titles like God or Lord, without emphasizing His personal name. Attributes of Jehovah. Jehovah is characterized by His perfect attributes. Love. Jehovah is described as the epitome of love. This is emphasized in 1 John chapter 4 verse 8, which states, "God is love." Witnesses believe that everything Jehovah does is motivated by love, including His creation, laws, and promises for the future. Wisdom. Jehovah's wisdom is evident in the intricate design of the natural world and His ability to foresee and fulfill His purposes. Witnesses point to verses like Romans chapter 11 verse 33, which speak of God's unsearchable wisdom. Justice. Jehovah embodies perfect justice. Witnesses trust that He always acts in fairness, ensuring that His actions align with His moral standards. Deuteronomy chapter 32 verse 4. Power. Jehovah is omnipotent, having unlimited power to accomplish His will. This is reflected in scriptures like Isaiah chapter 40 verse 26, which highlights His creation of the universe. Jehovah as creator. Jehovah is acknowledged as the creator of all things, both visible and invisible. Witnesses often reference Genesis chapter 1 verse 1, "In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth." They believe that Jehovah created Jesus Christ as His first creation, who then acted as a master worker in bringing everything else into existence. Proverbs chapter 8 verse 30, Colossians chapter 1 verses 15 to 16. Relationship with humanity. Jehovah desires a personal relationship with humans. Witnesses believe He communicates with people through His Word, the Bible, which they consider His inspired message. 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 16. Jehovah is depicted as a caring father who listens to prayers and provides guidance through His teachings. Psalm chapter 65 verse 2. Jehovah is also seen as the initiator of salvation through the ransom sacrifice of His Son, Jesus Christ. This act demonstrates His profound love for humanity and His desire to free them from sin and death. John chapter 3 verse 16. Jehovah's sovereignty. Jehovah's Witnesses emphasize that Jehovah is the rightful sovereign of the universe. They believe that Satan challenged His sovereignty in the Garden of Eden, leading to humanity's suffering. Jehovah, in His wisdom, allowed time for this issue to be resolved, but they believe He will soon vindicate His name and sovereignty by eliminating evil and establishing a peaceful, righteous world. Daniel chapter 2 verse 44. Jehovah's promises for the future. Witnesses are deeply focused on Jehovah's promises for humanity. They believe that Jehovah will restore the earth to a paradise, as was His original purpose for Adam and Eve. This hope is supported by scriptures like Revelation chapter 21 verses 3 to 4, which promises the end of suffering, death, and pain. They also look forward to the fulfillment of God's kingdom, a heavenly government ruled by Jesus Christ under Jehovah's authority. This kingdom is seen as the solution to all of humanity's problems. Worship and service to Jehovah. Jehovah's Witnesses strive to live their lives in harmony with His will. They believe worshiping Jehovah involves not only personal prayer and Bible study but also sharing His message with others. Witnesses are well known for their door-to-door ministry, which they see as a vital way to honor Jehovah and fulfill Jesus' command in Matthew chapter 28 verses 19 to 20 to make disciples. Jehovah's love and patience. Finally, Jehovah is viewed as exceedingly patient and merciful. Witnesses believe He wants as many people as possible to come to know Him and be saved. 2 Peter chapter 3 verse 9. They see His patience as evidence of His great love for humanity. In summary, Jehovah God is portrayed by Jehovah's Witnesses as a loving, wise, just, and powerful Creator who seeks a personal relationship with humanity. His name, purpose, and promises are central to their worship and their hope for the future. Please share and like and please subscribe.